Want to create immersive 360-degree panoramas with AI? Meet DiT360. DiT360 stitches photos into seamless, high-contrast 360 panoramas with smooth camera motion. Step 1. Capture overlapping photos or a single wide sweep with steady motion. Step 2. Upload your images to DiT360 and choose the 360 stitch mode. Step 3. Adjust contrast, stitch strength, and motion smoothing for cinematic depth. Now let's watch a quick demo of DiT360 in action. Here's DiT360 stitching a sunrise city panorama with neon synthwave tones. Notice the real-time preview and one-click correction for seamless seams. Smooth automated camera path creates immersive, parallax-rich 360 navigation. Export in equirectangular or cubic formats ready for viewers and VR headsets. Pro tip: use high-contrast lighting and small overlaps for cleaner stitched results. Try DiT360 today, share your panoramas, and immerse your audience in 360.